National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Benton County, southwestern Mille Lacs County, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Foley, or 18 miles east of St. Cloud, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Parent, Dew Elm, Foley, Ronaby, Glendorado, Princeton Airport, and Princeton. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Benton and Mille Lacs.